Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today our topic articles, book exercise.
Children, we have already learned to use a, an, and the. Can you try to fill the blanks below with a, an, and the? Try. What is the first picture? Ball. Very good. This is dash ball. This is a ball. A ball. Very good. Second one. There is dash ink bottle. There is an ink bottle. An ink bottle. Third picture. The sun is hot. Very good. The sun is hot. Let's see the last picture. This is dash owl. This is an owl. Children, check your answers. These words are known as articles. These words are known as articles. Let us learn how to use them again. Okay. First we see indefinite articles. It indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than particular thing. Okay. And in front of a noun starting in vowel sound, and we use in front of a noun starting in vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an heart. Okay. A we use in front of a noun starting in consonant sound. For example, a car, a bat, a ball, a university. Okay, so once again I repeat children, we use an before words that beginning with the sound of a, e, I, o and u. Okay, vowel sound. And we use a when the words begin with any other sound. Children, let's see the definite article. Definite article the. It limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. For example, I am going to attend the meeting. Children, we already know that the is used when we talk of a particular thing. The article the is also used before the names of unique things like mountains, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, famous books and directions. Let's see example. Mountains, the Himalayas. Rivers, the Vaigai. Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Famous book, the Tirukkural. Direction, the East. Islands, the Andaman and Nicobar. Okay children, let's we complete our book exercise. Fill in the blanks using a, an and the. So first one, dash earth goes around dash sun. So both we use the. We use the earth goes around the sun. Okay. Second one, I bought dash pair of shoes. I bought. Here not mention particular thing. Okay, I bought dash pair of shoes. So a pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. Third one, I am dash university student. University consonant sound, so we use I am a university student. Next one, Kiran sails in dash Indian Oceans. Children, we already know we used before the names of unique things The. So the Indian Ocean. Okay. Next one. Dash camel is the ship of dash desert. Yeah. The camel is the ship of the desert. Okay. The sixth one. Dash Jungle Book has won many awards. So the Jungle Book has won many awards. Okay. Seventh one. Harichandra was dash honest king. Honest and vowel sound, so we use an honest king. Eighth one. I met dash boy in the street. I met a boy in the street. Ninth one. She returned after dash hour. An hour. Okay. Last one. I read dash amazing story yesterday. I read an amazing story yesterday. Children, check your answers and then complete your book exercise. Children, next complete the sentence with correct article. Children, I attached worksheet. Try to fill this. Complete the sentence with correct articles. Okay. Children, listen carefully. We use an before words that begin with the sounds of vowel. Okay. Then we use a when the words begin with any other sound. And then the is used when we talk of a particular thing. Okay. So children, I hope you will do this.
Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.